Welcome back everyone. If you would like to access GLM 5.2 API key for free, this video is for you. GLM 5.2 is one of the top and popular model nowadays, and it is trending nowadays. You can see the benchmark it is for long horizon tasks, and it is competing with the Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 and other models. This is the benchmark. As you can see, they have compared it with the Claude Opus 4.8, GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro. So you can see it is already competing with these top models. In some areas, it is ahead. In some area, it is competing with them. So it is one of the top and most powerful model, a Chinese model. So let's get started. Okay, to access the free API key, there is a website by the name of TokenRouter. I will show you tokenrouter.com. You will see that a pop-up on the interface of this website that GLM 5.2 is free now. You can access it and use it 7 days for free until July 25. Today is July 18. Until July 25, you can use it for free. You can access the API key and you can use this. So this is just an opportunity for all the students, developers, or those who would like to use this powerful model for free. So let's get started. Okay, let's close this pop-up. And top 7, get 3 like GLM 5.2 model. This is free now. So let's get started. Okay, let's try now. Just come here, get API key. So I already had account inside TokenRouter. If you don't have account, please create your account, then come back. So let's sign in. So I will just make this and sign in. Get free credits on TokenRouter. Let's close this and I will delete this previous key. And we will create a fresh key, and we will use this key inside OpenCode or KiloCode or client. So let's get started. Simply, let's create our API key. Look at this button, create key. And here we will just assign a name like GLM. Here the expiry date like a month, 1 day, or system date. Here new quantity quota settings. So you can just select these allowed models. So here you can select allowed models, which models you want. So they have all the models listed here. Simply let's submit it. So we will create our API key. So look at, we have created our API key. This is the base URL that we can use. And here we have the API key that we can simply copy that key. So let's try. Okay, I will open VS Code editor. And inside that we have client extensions. So I will use that. You can use OpenCode CLI or KiloCode CLI or their GUI tool also. This is KiloCode, but let's use client or KiloCode. Which one you prefer? So you can use that. Like this is client extension. You can use KiloCode or OpenCode extension, your own preferred agent. You can use that. Or let's open KiloCode instead of client. So KiloCode is a little bit easy. And let's come here to the settings. So here you can see the settings icon. So we will open the setting of KiloCode. So after opening the setting of KiloCode, here we will find providers. Look at these providers. After coming to the provider here, I have already created with these providers like model and these two. I will delete these previous providers where I had connection with these. So down we will find TokenRouter, but we can't find TokenRouter. Instead of that, we will press this custom provider. So let's press this connect button at the right side. And here we need provider ID. Provider ID is TokenRouter. And come here to the display name. So the display name is TokenRouter. API, OpenAI-compatible. That's it. Base URL. Let's copy the base URL. Come here. This is base URL, as you can see at the API section. Base URL here. API key. Let's copy the API key also. This is our API key. Paste that here. So here we will come to the models. So for the models, as you can see, it already pitched these 113 models. So let's just add unselect. I will deselect all and I will search here for GLM. So GLM 5.2, let's find that. Look at GLM 5.2 free. This is the model. Select this and add this one. As you can see, it has been added. Let's come here and come to the models. And this is GLM 5.2, which is free. You can see the free flag also. This is free. Input and output token per $0. From here and down, we will see the submit button. So let's submit it and we will create connection. The connection has been created with this provider. Look at this is TokenRouter. Let's go back to the chart area. Close the setting. And in the chart area, let's select our model now here. Look at this is here we will select our GLM. Find. First of all, we will find our own provider. Okay, so let's search for GLM. So look at GLM 5.2, and these are Kilo Gateway. This is OpenRouter. This is Token. Look at TokenRouter provider. So this GLM 5.2 free. We will select this model. Select it. So that has been selected. Here we can select these different modes. So let's select this ask mode, and we will simply ask hello. Which model is this? Like this is just a question that I ask from this. So it will answer to our query now. So as you can see, the response you are running ZAI GLM 5.2 free. This is the model. So if the response take a little bit time, the reason for that is that all people, all students and developers are using these free models. So that's why there is too much load on this model. It might be a little bit slow. But let's, for example, ask another question that what is Kilo code? Simple like this. Okay, whatever you want, you can create your projects, you can fix bugs, student level tasks, you can implement it on your own junior level tasks. So you can use this GLM 5.2 for free. So the complete detail about KiloCode. KiloCode is an open source AI coding assistant that runs on VS Code extension like this. This all details about the KiloCode. So it was all about this GLM 5.2 model for free, and we existed, configured, and successfully pitched the response using this model. So if the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment to promote my video to make more videos for free models, AI models. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.